start with level 1 problems. In this last class we wrote concept based questions. So if you see here level 1 this is the function f of x is equal to, first problem we are doing level 1, x into sine of 1 by x when it is not equal to 0. When x is 0 is 0. So at x equal to 0 he is asking now. Okay? At x equal to 0 the problem is see options continuous, right continuous, left continuous, cannot be determined. These are the options. Here left continuity, right continuity, according to options also we have to start solution. What is left and right continuity separately? How to say? What is our definition? X tends to 0 minus f of x equal to f of 0. Left side of 0. 0 minus what is its meaning? X less than 0. Means x is negative. Then we say it is left continuous. Suppose the x tends to 0 plus f of x. X greater than 0. Right side of origin. Then we say it is a right continuous. If both are equal, left hand side both are equal, means limit exists. Anyway they are same. Then we say simply in general overall totally continuous. That is our actual definition. Now we write here, consider limit x sine of 1 by x is same as sine of 1 by x by 1 by x. Okay. See, already f of 0 is given. What is given? F of 0 is 0. Only we need limit value. Right limit value, left limit value. Okay? See. Now we will start with 0 plus right side. We are doing right hand continuity. 0 plus means x is positive. Substitute x is 1 by h. Okay? 1 by h. To understand I am writing, otherwise actually not necessary. One formula is there. So we are writing substitution. When x is 0, what is h here? Infinity. 1 by 0. Therefore, h tends to infinity. Sin h by h. There is one result. Okay? Not only standard theorem, theta tends to 0, sin theta by theta 1. If it is infinity, then this is 0. This is result in limits. In the beginning we did write, now you write this extra. Okay, what is that extra result in the synopsis? Limit x tends to infinity, sin x by x, 0. That is one very different result. x tends to 0 means then it is 1. That is why. When we got this answer 0, which is same as f of 0, therefore it is right continuous. Then verify left also. Suppose left will not possible, then answer will be only right continuous. If right to left both are possible, then this is answer. Okay. Actually ABC, both all three are very nearest terms, close each other. Now we are finding left continuity. Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is the same as x less than 0. Sin of 1 by x by 1 by x. When x is negative, substitute minus 1 by h. Again, as it's the same reason as x tends to 0, h tends to infinity, therefore limit h tends to infinity, sin of minus 1 by h by minus 1 by h. Anyway, positive only. Sin of minus theta is minus theta, otherwise both are same. This is also 0. That means what is observation? Limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of 0. But these two are called one-sided limits by definition of left limit to right limit. Both are equal. In general, what we can write? X tends to 0 f of x is same as f of 0. Hence, what we say now, fx is overall continuous. All three answers are correct, which is best and perfect close answer means first option. All this method, don't think it is very long object type, because the beginning you are practicing, so I am giving all. Otherwise I will not give all this. Once you understand, directly it is possible answer. Okay, we know sin of 1 by x graph. Now I am giving you second method. If you understand this, okay. Now you see. What is the sin of 1 by x graph? Very careful, important. All of you. Now you see. Sin of 1 by x is a oscillatory function. It creates oscillations or vibrations starting very close to 0 but not 0. Therefore, you start with very near. It looks like I start from origin but not like this. It creates oscillations like this, up and down. Okay, in this way. It goes like this, increasing rapidly, slow, and it is increasing. In what way it is increasing? That the total vibrate oscillations are in between two boundaries. Like right hand side, left hand side also, it will start from here. Waves, like frequency. You get this type of graphical concepts in physics. It goes wide like this, but they are kept between two boundaries. That means it is finite. Therefore, this is finite number. As per Mains and other people, and then see it, you understand property. This I gave you to know the theoretical solution. As for objective level, you note this property. What is that? Sin of 1 by x is a finite number. How it is finite number? This is graph. Between two boundaries. 0 into finite number. No objection. Because a finite number multiplied by 0. We are not taking infinite number multiplied by 0. 0 into finite number. 0. Answer over. As a standard question, you can take this. Okay, that is the reason. Now, two methods I gave you. Suppose if you don't know this type of concept level, therefore ordinary level only you want to go method. That is. Note this type of concept, the special property or else graph-oriented problems, where you will not get suddenly any other book to say. That is why you have to note down. Now, second problem, f of x e power x square minus cos x by x square. Compulsory x must be non-zero. Is given that f of x is continuous, where at origin. Then he is asking find f of 0. Find f of 0 when it is given is continuous means, okay, what are the ABCD? 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 2, 1 by 3. These are the options. Now what you understand here is that given that it is continuous, okay, given it is continuous, what is by definition? When a function is continuous at 0, right, it is given that it is continuous at 0, since f of x is continuous at 0, therefore limiting value must be equal to functional value at that number. What is that number here? 0. Pointer, x value, functional value, function value, f of 0. He is asking, this means he is asking limit only. Indirectly we are doing limits problems, division only, limits. Now find out what is the function here. While finding limits, already last time I told, substitute x is 0, e power 0, cos 0, 0, e power 0, 1, cos 0, 1, 0 by 0 form, indeterminate form. Apply L'Hospital rule, means differentiation. What is e power x square derivative? E power x square into 2x minus cos x derivative minus sin x. So plus by again 2x x square derivative. Right? Now you cannot substitute x equal to 0. Again 0 by 0 form. What you do is here, separate the denominator, split it. X tends to 0, e power x square, cancel, x tends to 0, sin x by x. We know this theorem, 1. So here 1 by 2. Here 2x cancel. There is no dangerous value 0 in the denominator. E power 0, 1 plus half. How much total? 3 by 2. Second option. What is here observation? We are doing differentiation method. That means L'Hospital rule we are doing. Okay. This is about so given that it is continuous, to find f of 0 means limit value only. You get limit value. Finish. Apply derivative method, problem will be easy. Now, next one more problem I will do. There is second method also. This is only better to you. Right. Next problem. Find the value of f of 0. The value of f of 0 so that fx is equal to log of 1 plus x by a minus log 1 minus x by b by x. All understood, it is definitely x not equal to 0. Is continuous at 0. Find f of 0, again like above statement. Answers a plus b by ab, a minus b by ab. Next to ab by a plus b. 3-4 options are reversed to first two options. Anyway, it is given that the function is continuous. Find the functional value at that means at 0 what is the value of f, so called f of 0. Same definition, because it is given that continuous, therefore this is our definition. Okay, first directly verify is it possible or not. When you take x is 0, is it possible? Denominator is problem. Numerator is also problem. When x is 0, log 1 0. Log 1 0. 0 by 0 form. What is implied? Indeterminate form. We will go for, okay, limit x tends to 0. By is equal to 0 by 0 form. Log 1 is 0, that is why. Hence, what is log x derivative? Already you must be ready with the differentiation, because after theoretical chapters we are starting objective. So, at any time you must be ready with the total list of results in the differentiation. Methods of differentiation. There are so many methods. 5 methods are there. Okay. First principle anyway it is understood. U A rule, U by V rule, chain rule, parametric differentiation, logarithmic differentiation, inverse trigonometric functions. They give how to differentiate. All that methods, problems, and must be ready. Suddenly at any time we can use them. Now here I am using it. So, log x derivative 1 by x multiplied by 1 plus x by a derivative, chain rule, function of function, constant derivative 0, x by a derivative 1 by 0, minus again log derivative, and then complete denominator x derivative 1. Very careful. We are not doing u by v rule. Okay. Direct answer. X derivative 1 I am not writing. After finishing differentiation, write x is 0. 0. 0. Your marks. Okay. Minus minus plus. Answer is finished. Is also same as after LCM. A plus b by ab. See how the shortest way of approach. How you will get the answer important. What is the method you are doing? Nobody will ask you. Continuity you are doing actually differentiation. After differentiation only I will understand why you are doing now means. That is not panchayati. You must be ready with every chapter. Careful. If you do chapters in this order, in first chapter I will take help of fourth chapter. Does not imply formality everything I will finish, then only I will come back. This is entrance coaching. Coaching means entrance exam. Any question can be done with any chapter. Okay. Suppose differentiation I will do, suddenly I will use binomial theorem or matrices or something I will use it. Then you must be ready. When I start differentiation, again I am telling everyone must be ready with the previous chapters. Previous chapters, what is meaning? Matrices and determinants. Particularly determinants, you must be ready when I start derivatives. Okay? Any question from any chapter, I will use it. So, there I will tell you how to get the answers. I will use the matrices determinants in differentiation. Similarly, differentiation I will use in determinants. Very good. Okay? So, finish. Now, see, fourth problem, f of x multiplied by 3 minus log of sin x by x, total minus 2, to be continuous. Given that it is continuous, suppose that x equal to 0, what is f of 0? Same like above. Answers here 0, 2, minus 2, 3. Again your marks only. Your marks only options they are giving every time. See? So, what to do? You need again limit only. Right? We need limit. Limit x tends to 0. F of x tends to 0, x 3 minus log sin x by x overall minus 2. Substitute x 0 first final directly. 0 into 3 minus silence. What is that silence meaning? Theorem, standard limit, 1. What is log 1? 0. 0 into 3 minus 0. Finally, 0 minus 2. And finally, therefore, this way of doing, observe every problem I am almost giving you maximum 2, 3 steps. Later, when we finish differentiation and some other problems slowly, you have to improve. How I will give is one step only. Okay? Should finish in one step. That level, that way of doing is important. All of you improve to that level. Either 1 or 2 steps. Very worst case, I will go for 3. Okay? If you are too much worst, I will go 4 steps. Okay? So when I am doing 4 steps means you are worst. Very clear. Now, good. Problem number 5. F of x power 1 by x minus 1. Very important. How much important? Big important. Compulsory they wrote x not equal to 1. F is continuous at 1. Find functional value. F of 1. E inverse e power minus 2 e square. These are the ABCD. Shamaya. Problem looks very simple. Size of the function is very small. X power 1 by x minus 1. Okay. But the depth, concept, once you are perfect with synopsis, results, ideas, and short test methods, whatever I am giving, if you note down very properly, you will definitely get good marks. Here, If you write x is 1, at 1 they want. Means what is meaning? It is continuous means must be equal to f of 1. What is limit x tends to 1? X power 1 by x minus 1? 1 power 1 by 0. I gave one result in the end, synopsis. Limit x tends to a, fx power gx is 1 power infinity. Then what it is possible? E power x tends to a g of x into fx minus 1. Immediately next step answer. I told there also. That is the power of this result. Now you apply here e power x tends to 1. What is g of x value? G of x means this one. 1 by x minus 1 into, what is f of x? X. You know the answer. Next I did have to ask you also. Gx into fx minus 1. Here gx is 1 by x minus 1. F of x is x minus 1 from the formula. What is your observation? Both cancel. When both are cancelled, what is remaining? Over e. See how much we are doing? One line. I wrote one formula. Formula next answer only. That is the impact of that result. This type of ideas and problems, methods, formula and everything you must be ready. Like this it happens throughout the calculus. So many powerful results we are writing, which are not printed in some textbooks. Suppose you are getting, that is advantage, you have benefit. Okay? So slowly we are doing. Next class we will continue some more problems in this. We have. Meantime you can also continue doing problems. It is not that I will do, you will copy. You can start doing some problems. Up to level 2 anyway we are planning to do. Okay? Next problem 6th onwards, next class I will continue. Right, sir. Today's story finish.